In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download quality in the Audible app on iPhone. If you've ever wondered why some audiobooks take up more space than others, or why your downloads are slower on cellular data, the answer often comes down to download quality. Adjusting this setting lets you balance audio clarity with storage and data usage, and it only takes a few taps. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your library and home screen. From here, look toward the bottom right corner and tap Profile. This is the section of the app that holds your account details and app preferences. If you're not sure you're in the right place, you should see your listening stats and other personal options on this screen. Next, tap the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. It's typically at the top corner of the profile page. Settings is where Audible keeps the controls that affect how the app behaves, including audio and storage preferences. Inside Settings, find and tap Data and Storage. This is the hub for how Audible handles downloads on your device. It's especially useful if you want to manage space or keep an eye on how much data you use when you're not on Wi-Fi. Under the Download Quality section, choose the option that fits your needs, standard or high. Standard is the more storage-friendly choice. It keeps file sizes smaller, which means quicker downloads and less space used on your iPhone. Ideal if you listen mostly on built-in speakers, commute on cellular data, or have limited storage. High provides richer audio detail and a fuller sound, which can be great if you use quality headphones or speakers and want the best listening experience. Keep in mind that higher quality uses more storage and takes a bit longer to download. Once you've made your selection, tap Back. Audible saves your choice automatically when you go back, so there's nothing else you need to confirm. From this point on, new downloads will use the quality you selected. Previously downloaded titles won't change, but if you want them in the new quality, you can remove and re-download them later. That's all it takes. Open Audible, go to Profile, head into Settings, choose Data and Storage, pick Standard or High under Download Quality, and tap Back to save. Adjust this setting anytime your needs change, whether you're freeing up space before a trip or upgrading for a more immersive sound. Enjoy your listening, and I'll see you in the next one.